In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Exness password and regain access to your personal area. If you can't sign in, don't worry. This process is straightforward and secure. Start by heading to the official Exness website and look for the Sign In button, usually at the top of the page. Open the Sign In window and instead of entering your details, choose the option that says, I forgot my password. This is the gateway to the recovery flow and ensures you reset your password safely through Exness's system. Next, you'll be asked for the email address you used when you registered your account. Type that in carefully and click Continue. It's important that you use the exact email linked to your profile. Otherwise, the system won't be able to find your account. If you have multiple emails, try the one where you normally receive Exness notifications. You'll now complete a security check. This could be a simple CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a bot, or you may be prompted to confirm a security method, such as receiving a verification code, by email or by phone. If you select email, keep your inbox open and check your spam or junk folder just in case. If you select phone, ensure your device has signal and that you can receive SMS. These codes are time sensitive, so enter them promptly and never share them with anyone. After passing the security validation, click Confirm to proceed with the reset. This tells the system you've verified your identity and are ready to create a new password. Now set your new password. Exness will show you the criteria on screen, often with green check marks as you meet each requirement. Aim for a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words or anything easy to guess, and don't reuse passwords from other sites. Consider storing it in a reputable password manager so you can keep it safe and accessible. Once everything meets the criteria, confirm your new password to save it. With your password updated, return to the sign-in page and log into your Exness personal area using your email and the new password. If you were signed in on other devices, you may be prompted to log in again there as well, which is normal after a reset. Make sure you're on a trusted device and network whenever you enter your credentials. That's it. You've successfully reset your Exness password and regained access. If something doesn't work, double-check your email, reattempt the verification, and ensure your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching and stay secure online.